Alaikum dosto. So today we are going to make an umbrella in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start to making an umbrella. So first of all, we have need to select the ellipse tool. Okay, so with the help of Shift and left mouse click, we will drag, making a little circle. Okay, so you can see this shape and this shapes what we say stroke is very thin, so for that we select it and making the stroke of that on 5 points. Now it's looking like something better, and again select it and drag it here. Okay, so now with help of alt and left click of mouse we can copy them, and we also use here, you can see this, there's two shapes are merging. If you make any mistake in Adobe Illustrator, so you want to go back to remove that, you can use Ctrl Z key to go back. Okay, and again we restart from there, shift alt and left click of mouse. Okay, third one, fourth one, we have to make 6 circles here. Okay, these are completed, all circles. So now we have to select the below part of these all circles. So for that we cannot use the selection tool, but instead of using selection tool we use quick selection tool here. Quick selection tool, because with the help of quick selection tool we can select the entire point where we want to select, and with the help of selection tool if we select something it will select all entire the body. So here we use the selection tool and drag that from below side and delete them. So now what we have to do, uh, we have to select pen tool here, and we have to drag from there, use here shift button to make line very straight and point there, and one point there and one point there. Okay, so for lefting this line you use here skip button. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to select from line segment arc tool here and drag here from the end point of and drag like that with the help of left key of mouse. So same from second line and same from third and same this part. Control Z, we start from the last corner. It looks like that, it's below from them, so we have to connect them. Yes, it's look like now it's looking something better, and we have to add point, a little circle point we see in the umbrellas and the very top of the corner. There's a point, so we add this point on the front of an umbrella. Okay, we can fill them. Okay, and that color. So, and there we will use, now we have to make this line like a circle, not a complete circle, but like this line, not edges. We have to remove their edges. There we also use quick selection tool and click on there. We have to scroll them like this. Also to this part, firstly we have to just we have need to scroll like this. Now you can see this is a perfect umbrella we have made in Adobe Illustrator. It's very easy. We just use one ellipse shape and other pen tool. So you also try to make these kind of shapes with the help of pen tool and the shapes. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.